Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook corned beef wonton empanadas. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. You need the empanada, the wonton wrapper, this one. And then the carrots, potatoes, the corned beef, garlic, onions. Saute the garlic. And then the onions. And by the way guys, there's a cheese of this one also. I forgot to put in the ingredients, but I put cheese in this empanadas also. And then guys, we're gonna add the potatoes and carrots. Okay, I think that's enough because it's so much. And then I'm gonna add black pepper. Okay, black pepper. And then a little soy sauce. Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna cover for a few minutes until the carrots and potatoes are cooked. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, look at the potatoes and carrots are cooked. So we're gonna add the corned beef. Gonna add the cheese guys. Okay, all the cheese. It's super yummy guys. Wonton empanadas. Okay guys, so this is done. So I'm gonna add also onions. Okay guys, so we're done. This is our filling for corned beef wonton empanadas. So it's done. Okay. So let's go inside guys. Okay guys, I did like this because the wrapper is bigger. Okay. Okay. And then another one. But it seems that the other wrapper is more bigger than this one. Okay. Okay guys, okay. It's 3. Only one more, Igma. Okay. It's mini corned beef wonton empanadas. guys. Okay. So this is our first batch, and we're gonna fry this one outside. Okay. Look at it. It's mini corned beef wonton empanadas. Okay. Okay guys, so this is our last batch of mini corned beef wonton empanadas. Okay. 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 That's that one, guys. Oh, it's super yummy. Mini corned beef wonton empanadas. Okay, so it's very yummy, guys. So I'm gonna taste, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, this is it. It's crunchy. It's yummy, guys. It's good for snacks. It's super hot. I'm gonna put it back because it's super hot, guys. Okay. I'm gonna let that one cool a little. Okay, in a few minutes. Okay, guys. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts, guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.